I am moving. How do I remove my Toto washlet? The instructions to install just say slip on the toilet seat until it clicks. How do I release the click? I want to take it with me.
Do you know the model of your Toto? Have you talked to a plumber yet?
I don't, but I bought it about 5 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your Toto washlet? What have you tried so far?
What? That makes no sense. Today is the day I am moving and I want to remove the washlet.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. How do I release the washlet so I can remove it?
My name is. I look forward to helping you. There is a little button on the right-hand side that releases it.
Yay! I got it. Thank you. Dumb instruction manual from Toto.
Just use the stars at the top of the page.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.